Welcome back, everybody. In this video, we are going to talk about subtracting rational expressions. Subtracting rational expressions is just very similar to subtracting fractions. First thing that we always want to look for is make sure we have common denominators. And in this example, we do have common denominators, so we don't need to go try to find one. So since we have common denominators, our denominator is going to stay the same, so it's 2y minus 1. And then we subtract our numerators. So we have 5y plus 1 minus, and I'm going to put in parentheses, y plus 3. So this is a little bit different than when we added rational expressions because we now have this subtraction sign, and we need to be careful that we subtract both terms in the second expression. So really, we want to make sure we distribute this subtraction sign to both terms. So if I were to rewrite it down here, it becomes 5y plus 1 minus y minus 3. Okay, so make sure we are subtracting both terms in that second expression. And of course, our denominator stays the same, 2y minus 1. From here, we just combine like terms. You can see we can combine our, went a little crazy there, our y's. And we can combine our constants. So when we have 5y minus y, that gives us 4y. And we have a positive 1 minus 3 gives us negative 2 on the top. And our denominator doesn't change, stays the same. So giving us 4y minus 2 over 2y minus 1. From here, always ask yourself, can you simplify by factoring? So we look here, yeah, we could factor out a 2 out of the above, out of the numerator. So that gives us 2 times 2y minus 1. And in the bottom, in the denominator, can we factor anything? Well, no, we really can't. So there really isn't any simplifying we can do. So we really didn't need to do this. This is our final simplified answer. And that is how you subtract rational expressions.